So, good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Ma'am.
Good
morning,
morning, ma'am.
morning. So, last day we just started what is linear equation in one variable, isn't it? Hmm? Linear equation in one variable means it is equations, algebraic equations having one variable only, and the power of the variable is
One.
1. Linear equation means if the power of the variable involved is 1, such equations are known as linear equations. If the equation involves only one variable, such equations are known as linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in is very important chapter. Linear equation in one variable. Examples are 2y plus 1 equal to 6. 3x minus 1 equal to 4x plus 1. All these are examples for linear equation in one variable. Linear equation means, I will repeat, equation having power 1. Such equations are linear equation. In one variable means an equation involves only one variable. Okay. Now, in this chapter, we are going to find what are the solutions of linear equation. Solution means it is the value of the variable. Here, the variables are y and x. Value of the variable which satisfies both RHS and LHS. For this equation, this is LHS, left hand side, and this is RHS. Okay, the expression lies in the left side of the equation is known as left hand side, LHS, and the expression lies on the right side of the equation is known as RHS, LHS and RHS. Did you write the LHS and RHS the last day? No?
No, ma'am.
No.
That
So,
day.
okay, so you write this equation 3x minus 7 equal to 4x plus 1. Write that equation and mention which is LHS and which is RHS. 3x minus 7 equal to 4x plus 1. 3x minus 7 is LHS and 4x plus 1 is RHS. Left hand side and right hand side. LHS means left hand side. This is right hand side. Left hand side and right hand side. Whose videos? Anugrav, mute your audio. Anugrav. The values that satisfies the values that satisfies both RHS and LHS are known as satisfies both RHS and LHS are known as are are known as solution of the equation. Solution of the equation. Write this also. Solution you underline. Solution. What is the solution? Finding values of the variables. The values that satisfies values of the variable. Values of the variable. Values of the variable that satisfies both RHS and LHS are known as solution or solutions. Solutions of the equation. The values of the variables that satisfies both RHS and LHS are known as solutions of the equation. The values of the variable that satisfies both RHS and LHS are known as solutions of the equation. All of you wrote?
Yes, ma'am.
Now listen to the board. Next heading, we are in this whole chapter, we are going to study how can we find the solution of linear equation one variable. Okay, and its application problems also. So only one topic is there. The topic is finding solution of linear equation in one variable. Okay, so next heading is to find or finding solution of linear equation in one variable. This is the topic we are going to study in this whole chapter. Solution of linear equation in one variable. Okay, all of you listen to the board. Listen to the board. Consider the equation. Listen. Consider the equation x plus 2 equal to 5. Listen to the board, all of you. X plus 2 equal to 5. Here, the variable is x. This is the variable here. Variable. And it is a linear equation because power is 1 and only one variable. So, it is a linear equation in one variable. Solution means find the value of the variable. Here, the variable is what? Variable is
X.
So finding solution means we will find the value of the x. Okay. So for getting value of the x, we have two parts, RHS and LHS. For getting the value, what we will do? We will keep the variable in one side, other in LHS or in RHS. Keep the variable in one side and take all other constants to the other side. If the variable is in left side, we will take constants to the right side. If the variable in right side, we will take the constants to the left side. For this, taking to left side or taking to right side is known as transposing. Instead of taking, in maths we will say transpose. The term transpose we will use. So here in this question, x plus 2 equal to 5. Okay, so we are keeping the x in the left side itself. This x left side itself equal to, we are transposing 2 to the right side. Okay, when we transpose a number to the right side, addition becomes subtraction. Subtraction becomes addition. Multiplication becomes division. Division becomes multiplication. Okay, when we transpose a variable or a constant to the other side of the equation, addition becomes what? Addition becomes subtraction. Subtraction becomes
Addition.
Addition.
Multiplication becomes
Division.
and division becomes
Multiplication.
multiplication. Okay. So here x plus 2 equal to 5. I kept x in the left side itself and I am transposing 2 to the other side. So 5, here it is plus 2. So while transposing to the other side, what will happen?
Minus
2. So x equal to 5 minus 2 because here it is addition. While transposing to the other side, it becomes x equal to 5 minus 2. Okay, understood? What is 5 minus 2?
3.
3. So value of the x is 3. This is the solution of the given equation x plus 2 equal to 5. So keep all the variables in one side, transpose all the constants to the other side. While then do some calculations. Here 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. So the solution of the given equation is x equal to 3. Solution equal to x equal to 3. Solution is x equal to 3. Write this one. Finding solution, we will ask solve. Solve means find the solution. Second question, solve. Solve means find solution. Questions will be in this way. Solve. Solve x minus 2 equal to 7. Solve x minus 2 equal to 7. So how? X, we will keep x in the left side itself. X equal to x
7
equal
plus
to
2.
7. This negative, while we transposing to the other side, it becomes 7 plus 2. So x equal to 9 is the solution. Solution means find the value of the variable. So here variable is x. So its value is x equal to 9. Now next one, solve. Solve y plus 3 equal to 10. And fourth one, 6 is equal to z plus 2. Try. Y plus 3 equal to 10.
-3.
Yeah, 10 minus 3, yes. It is first one is y equal to 10 minus 3. That is y equal to 7. Correct. Here the variable is on the right side. In the fourth question, the variable is there in the right side. So let it be there. That is, z would be here on the right side. Take 2 to the left side. So it will be 6 minus 2. 4. Z equal to 4. Z equal to 4 is the solution. Z equal to 4. Okay. Next, fifth question is 4x equal to 12. Solve 4x equal to 12. Here 4x means it is 4 into x. Multiplication. So it becomes division, which means x equal to 12 divided by 4. Here it is multiplication. No, 4x means 4 into x. So it is x equal to 3. 3 x equal to 3. Understood? How division
Yes, ma'am.
comes? because 4x means it is 4 into x multiplication. So one more question. Sixth one, solve 8x equal to 32.
Ma'am, can you show the fourth question? Thank you, ma'am.
Do the fifth one.
X equal 32 by 8
8.
Divided by 8.
X equal to 32
4.
by 8 equal to 4. So x equal to 4 is the answer. X equal to 4. Here, seventh one.
Eight minus 40.
It is minus
Divided.
40 by 8. Because 8y means it is 8 into y, no?
Yes.
So
Y
y
is
equal
equal
to
to
40
5.
by, yes. So 5 equal to y or y equal to 5. While writing, we will write y equal to, writing the answer, we can write y equal to 5. Okay. Eighth question. Question number 8. 2x minus 3 equal to 7. 2x minus 3 equal to 7. 2x minus 3 equal to 7. So we will write 2x equal to, first we will write 2x equal to
7 plus 3.
7 plus
7
3
plus 3.
equal to 10.
10.
2x equal to 10. So x equal to, we
10
need the value of x.
10 by 2.
10 by
10
2.
by
10
2.
by 2 equal to 5. So x equal to 5 is
5.
the solution. Question number 9. 2y plus 9 equal to 4. First we will transpose 9 to the other side. 2y equal to 4 minus 9. 2y equal to minus 5.
5.
4 minus 9 minus 5. So y equal to minus 5 by 2. No need to make it to decimal. Keep it 5 by 2 itself. Y equal to 5 by 2. Next one, question number 10. X by 2 equal to 6. X by 2 equal to 6. Here x by 2. 2 performs division there. So when we transpose to the other side, division becomes
Multiplication.
multiplication. So what comes? X equal to, this 2 will go to the numerator and become
into 2.
multiplication. 6 into
2.
so x equal to 12. 12. Very good. Yes.
12.
X equal to 12. Next one. 4x by 3 equal to 8. 4x by 3 equal to 8. 4x by 3 equal to 8. So, first part we will do 4x equal to
8 into 3.
8 into 3.
8 into 3.
Division
24.
becomes multiplication.
4x equal 24.
4 is
So, x
24.
equal to 8 into 3 by 4.
4.
Or 24 you can write, no
24
problem.
divided by 4.
Here you can cancel 2. So, it is 6. Or 24 by 4 also 6. X equal to 6. Question number 12. 3 by 7 plus x equal to 17 by 7. 3 by 7 plus x equal to 17 by 7. So, x equal to what? X equal to 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7.
3 by 7.
That is 17 minus 3, common denominator. So, we can 14 by 7. 14 by 7 is 2. So,
2.
x equal to
2.
x equal to 2. Question number 13. T by 5 equal to 10. T, here T is the variable. T by 5 equal to 10. So, T equal to
10 into 5.
10 into
Hey,
5. T equal
50.
to, Joseph, listen here. 50. T equal to 10 into 5, 50. Question number 14. 2x by 3 equal to 18. 2x by 3 equal to 18. So, first 2x equal
Which is
to
equal 18
18 into
2,
3.
3.
We will do multiplication finally. So, x equal to what? 18 into 3
3
by 2.
by 2.
Because 2 will goes to the denominator. Here we can cancel 9, 27. So, x equal to 27.
50.
Huh? 27. 9 2s are 18. 9 into 3, 27. Question number 15. 1.6 equal to y divided by 1.5. 1.6 equal to y divided by 1.5. So, y equal to what? Y equal to
1.5 into 1.6.
Multiply 1.5 into 1.6. Find how much y? 1.5 into 1.6 is
2.11.
2 point. 2 point?
1.4.
No, no,
1.30.
no,
1.
no. Multiply. First you multiply 16 into 1.5. 16 into 15. After that we will do 2 decimal. Put a 2 decimal point.
Ma'am,
Ah,
2.40.
2.40. 2.40. That is 2.4. After point, no value for that 0. So y equal to 2.4. 2.40 or 2.4. Question number 16. 7x minus 9 equal to 16. 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. Seven x equal to
16 plus 9.
16 plus 9 equal to 25. 7x. So x equal to 25 by 7. Understood all of you how to solve?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Adnan, Ansel, Harikrishnan, Salin, understood the idea? How can we solve? Keep the variables in
ma'am.
one side.
Here is the board.
That I will show. Transpose the constants to the other side and do the calculation, then find. Okay? Alan, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So x equal to 25 by 7. Next question, 14y, question number 17. 14y minus 8 equal to 13. 14y minus 8 equal to 13. So how we will do this? How can we do this?
14y equal to 13.
14y equal to
13
13
plus
Minus 8.
plus
Plus
8.
8.
Minus 8 will go to the other side, become plus 8. So 21.
21.
So y equal to 21 by 14. Simplify. Write the
3 by
simplest
2.
3 by 2. 7 we can cancel. So 3 by 2. Question number 18. 17 plus 6p equal to 9. 17 plus 6p equal to 9. Agna, Alia, how can we do this? 17 plus 6p equal to 9.
Ma'am,
6 physical.
Is equal
ma'am,
to
my board is coming slow, ma'am. 1 minute.
uh,
Ma'am, 6p equal to
9 minus
9 minus
minus
17.
very good. 9 minus 17. What is 9 minus 17?
8.
Negative.
minus 8.
Yeah. So p equal to
Negative
6.
8.
Negative 8 divided by 6.
Divided by 6.
2 you can cancel. So it is 4 by 3.
4 by
Negative 4 by 3. P equal to negative 4 by 3. Question number 19. X by 3 plus 1 equal to 7 by 15. X by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. So, how we will do this? X by 3
Equal
is
to
equal
7 by
7 by 15.
15 minus 1.
minus 1. Taking LCM, we will get 7 minus 15 by 15. 7 minus 15 by 15. That is that is x by 3 equal to negative 8 by 15.
15.
So x equal to 3 will go to the numerator. Negative 8 by 15 into 3. Here 3 is the division. 3 is, we are doing division, so it will go to the numerator for multiplication. So it is 3 we can cancel 5 times. So negative 8 by 5. So x equal to negative 8 divided by 5 is the answer. Negative 8 divided by 5. Write the homework questions. When is our next period?
220.
Before 2:20, you have to do this, not for tomorrow or next day. Today itself, before my next class, all should complete these problems. Okay?
Ma'am.
Ah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm?
When we have to do this?
Before next period.
Yes,
One more period we have today. Before that, you have to do. All are
Yes, ma'am.
simple questions. Half an hour is needed for doing this. Do you all copied?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, we have some word problems. Write the first question. Write this question. Write the question. If you subtract half from a number and multiply the result by half, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? All of you wrote the question? All of you switch on your video. Joseph, Saiba, Anugrah. Wrote the question, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you will get 1 by 8. You have to find the which number it is. In all these type of questions, whatever we need to find, let us take it as x. So here we need to find a number to which if 1 by 2 is subtracted and 1 by 2 is multiplied, we will get 1 by 8. So let us take the number bx. Let the required number be x. So we will start with let the required number be x. And what we are doing, if you subtract 1 by 2 from the number, so subtract means x minus 1 by 2 and multiply the result by 1 by 2. Multiplying this result by 1 by 2. So this is the given condition. By the given condition. By the given condition, x minus 2, we are subtracting 1 by 2 from a number and multiply that result by 1 by 2 again. And what we will get? You will get that is equal to
1 by 8.
1 by 8. We will get 1 by 8. So, it is a linear equation in one variable. We can find its value. So, x 1 by 2x, multiplying 1 by 2 into x, 1 by 2x, minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 8. So, x by 2 minus 1 by 4 equal to 1 by 8. So, x by 2 equal to 1 by 8 minus 1 by 4. We can take 8 as LCM. So, it will be 1 minus 2. And we multiply 8 here with 1 by 4. 2 will be cancelled, 1 minus 8. So, it is x by 2 equal to negative.
Ma'am, when we transpose plus will come now 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4.
Plus. So 3 by 8. Thank you. Correct. 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4. So it is 3 by 8. 3 by 8. So x equal to what? X equal to 2 will go to the other side. 3 by 8 into 2. 2 get cancelled here. So x equal to 3 by 4. So the required number B.
Ma'am, how we will get 1 plus 2 by 8?
1 by 8 plus 1 by 4 no. So 8 is LCM. So when we multiply 8 by the two terms, 8 it get cancelled 1 plus 4 here 2 times. So 2. Understood, Vinayak?
Yes, ma'am.
Addition of rational numbers. Required number B. Required number B 3 by 4. This way you have to write. Because x equal to 3 by 5 is not the answer. We are not asked to find the value of x. We take it is let it be x. Okay, we took that. So we have to write the required number is 3 by 4. That way you should write. Okay, so you have to do those problems before my next period. Okay, shall we wind up this period?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye all of you. We will meet in the next period.